Hello guys. The light bulb in the trunk of our Opel Corsa D doesn't work anymore. I thought it was the bulb that was broke, but it is another problem. It's easy to take out the bulb. Just push with a flathead screwdriver over here and you can see the bulb. I've already saw that the bulb is in good condition, and also the wires are fine, so that isn't the problem. Then I thought maybe the fuse or something like that is broke, but also the fuse that is in this box I've saw to the fuses, and all the fuses with a low amperage are still in good condition, so I haven't saw broke fuses. Also under the trunk, under the hood, there are some fuses, but also they are working great. Under this box there are also fuses, but they are all working fine and in good condition. So it had to be another problem. So the lights are on, but this light in the trunk isn't working. Now I was thinking what could be another problem, and I thought maybe the lock here is the problem, because when the trunk is closed the light must be out, and that's also the problem. So when I close the trunk, it's still not lighting up, but when I push, you can push a bit, close it a little bit more, and then push on it beneath, and then the light will go on. So I will let you see how this is. So you see it's a problem in the lock. And that's with pushing here a little bit above and then pushing it down. So we will take off the plastic and we will see if we can clean some contacts, or maybe place another switch or something to fix it. We will use this Facom T25 Torx screwdriver to unscrew the plastic. So there are two screws, one over here and one over here. So these are the two screws, and now we just have to pull to remove this. And now we can see to the contact here what will be the problem. It will be this connection, I think. That is the problem. We can take out the entire lock and then see how we can fix it. These are bigger Torx screws. So we will disconnect this cable. So now we will unscrew the lock. the other. Almost there. So the lock is completely out. You can take the lock. So here is the problem. You can see the lock is about 6.5 years old, and we will see if the contacts are clean. Just push here and then you can take it out. The contacts are in good condition, so I think it's a problem in the lock. But I don't know how much this lock costs, because the light here in the trunk isn't necessary, so we don't go to put much money in it. But this is the problem, that the contacts or the switch in the lock is broke or in a filthy condition. Okay guys, so you can choose to renew the lock, and normally the problem is fixed then, or just leave it like this, or I will use some contact spray to clean the contacts here, and we will see if the problem is fixed or not. So you will do some electronic cleaner on the contacts here, and I hope it will solve the problem, but maybe it's in the lock, and you see there aren't bolts to open it, so it's cleaning the contacts or buying a new lock or leaving the light in the trunk not working.